In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync Google Tasks with Google Calendar using your desktop browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your tasks show up right alongside your events, so everything you need to do is in one clear schedule. Let's start at the very beginning. On your computer, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Calendar by typing calendar.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you keep your tasks and calendar. If you use multiple accounts, double check you're on the right one because tasks and events don't sync across different Google accounts automatically. Once your calendar loads, take a moment to look at the interface. You'll see your main calendar grid in the center, your calendars on the left, and a slim side panel on the right. That right-hand side panel is where Google keeps some handy tools, including Google Tasks. On the right side, look for a small vertical strip with several icons. You might see things like a calendar icon for Keep or an icon for Contacts. Among these, find the small blue circle with a white check mark inside. That blue check mark is the Google Tasks icon. Go ahead and click it. When you click the Tasks icon, a panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. This panel shows your Google Tasks lists. You can switch between different task lists, add new tasks, set due dates, and add subtasks, all right there without leaving your calendar view. The key idea is that this side panel lets you manage tasks while you're looking at your schedule, which makes planning much easier. Now, just opening the Tasks panel doesn't automatically show your tasks on the main calendar grid. To actually see them as items on the calendar, you need to make sure the Tasks calendar is turned on. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a section labeled My Calendars. This is where your different calendars are listed, such as your main calendar, holidays, reminders, and so on. In that list, look for one labeled Tasks. Next to Tasks, there's a small colored checkbox. This checkbox controls whether tasks appear on the main calendar grid. If the box is checked, your tasks that have dates assigned to them will show up directly on the calendar on their respective days. If the box is unchecked, those tasks will be hidden, even though they still exist in the task side panel. If you don't see your tasks on the calendar, this is usually the reason. Just click the empty box next to Tasks to turn it on. You should see a color fill the box, and then after a moment, any tasks with dates will appear in the calendar view. From here, you can click on a task in the calendar to see its details or mark it as complete. You can also switch between day, week, and month views to see how your tasks line up with your events over time. That's all you need to do. By opening the Tasks panel and enabling the Tasks calendar, you've effectively synced Google Tasks with Google Calendar on your desktop, giving you a unified view of everything you need to get done.